Well, it is a nice Saturday morning, and we're going to head over to my cousin Tony's house. Tony and I have always worked closely together. He's got projects I'll help, I've got projects he helps me. So we're going to expand his driveway. Actually, I'll just take you over there and show you. This is where I dumped this stone yesterday. We're at my cousin Tony's house, and he wants to do a little project and expand his driveway. So I'm going to show you here. What's going on here, Tony?
Well, I've got this gravel part over here that was existing. I want to tear this grass area out all the way out to the fire hydrant and stone all this so I have room to park my boat and my other trailers.
We hauled in 10 ton of number 53s. These are Indiana 53s, and I've got about 10 ton of number 9s on the truck that we were going to top dress it with. I don't think it's going to be enough, so we might wind up having to make a trip to the quarry on a Saturday morning, and we were going to stop our driveway right about here, and we're going to dig out all this sod, throw it over there on the left hand side, and make a little mound so he's got a nice little buffer between his yard and the field. And we're going to see how quickly we run out of stone. We got Alex's little Kubota tractor. What number is this little Kubota? It's his BX2380. We might see what kind of work we can do with this little tractor. It's a cute little tractor. All right, let's get to doing something.
Okay.
Fortunately, this is really sandy, so we don't have to cut a lot out. Basically, I'm going to strip the topsoil and remove about 4 or 5 inches and call it good. I think it's nice and solid. All right, so we got all the dirt cut out of. I think we're gonna be short on stone, so I'm gonna start moving this pile so we can dump the dump truck, and then Tony is gonna go get another load of stone. Thankfully the quarry is open on Saturday morning. It's time to start moving stone in. say, now I need some stone, but look who's here. Got that mound shaped up a little bit. Need to get something smaller to work on it now. All right, I'm gonna try spreading again. So I'm still working on it, but we're gonna see if we can spread this and top coat everything and be done for the day. Are you happy with that?
Absolutely.
All right. I think that'll wrap it up for this job. Tony's got a couple more places to park his trailer and his boat. And now he doesn't have to worry about mowing that little strip in between of the grass. So we're going to call this job done and see what we can get into the rest of the day here. It's only 1 o'clock. So, all right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.